back to Holly and Harvey's Travels 2020 version. Of course, this is the only 2020 version there is. I mean, we haven't been to any other places. We've been landlocked and locked up and locked in, just like everybody else is because of COVID-19. And so this is the only trip of the year, as we said earlier. But today we're headed up to Haleakalā, the Haleakalā crater, which is about 10,000 feet up in the air. And it's an incredible view. We've been there before, but you can never go enough times. So we'd like to show it to you and have some fun.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. The clouds are pretty interesting looking. They're covering some of the mountaintops, so we'll probably drive through the clouds and go up to 10,000 feet. And it looks pretty quiet. There's not a lot of people on the road. So during normal times, which is December, is a very high traveled month here in Maui, the road would be bumper to bumper. But we've lucked out.
As we said earlier, this island has been hit real hard by COVID-19, not by the disease itself, but by the lockdown, because people just quit coming to Hawaii because the state completely shut down. And as we said earlier, the nightmare we had getting in here, or anybody else has, it's jumping through a lot of hoops.
And they're very slow to reopen. The restaurants are still 25% inside and 50% outside. So there's still a lot of people that are not going to reopen, and which is really sad because there's a lot of people unemployed here, and you can just tell they're hurting and they want to open up their doors to everybody.
Of course, that's going on throughout the whole country. No matter where you're watching from today, you know that your state is locked down to more or less degrees. And but it's no worse than it is here in Hawaii, particularly in Maui. In any event, let's head up to the crater and have some fun.
high above the chimney top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, the dream